In this video, we are going to see how you can get supply and market cap of a token on a particular EVM chain. The API link will be in the description along with Bitquery Telegram channel link. You can run and test the APIs at ide.bitquery.io. You will just need to register first as a developer to get the free 10,000 points to run and test the APIs. Make sure this is API v2 here. Firstly, we are going to calculate supply of a token. Select EVM, then network as ETH, and then dataset as combined. Then select transfers. Then put your filters in where. Select transfer, currency, and then smart contract. And here we are going to set our smart contract address as a TON coin address. I'm going to calculate my supply for this token address, which is of TON token. And also select success as true because we will be calculating here only those transfers which are successful. Supply is basically minted amount minus burned amount of that token. So if a token gets minted, actually, it means that there has been a transfer done of that token from zero address to any other address. And vice versa is true for the burned amount. So now we have selected our filters. Now I'm going to select the fields I need info about. I need minted amount, right? So I'll give this an alias name of minted and I'll do summation over transfer amount. Where in if condition I'll put the transfer sender is zero address as minted is basically that. For the burned amount, I will just copy paste this and just change this sender to receiver because for the burned amount, the receiver is always the zero address. And now if I'm run the query, I'll see the minted amount and the burned amount. And if I subtract this, I'll get approximately 11 million and 400,000 tokens. And this is actually the ton supply here also on Etherscan, just to double check. So now, if you want to calculate market cap, you can calculate market cap by just multiplying supply of a token with the price of a token in USD. I will add the video link here of the API to calculate price in USD of a token on the above I button and also in the description. You guys can check it out. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and head over to our Telegram channel if you have any questions.